Good night. My name is Hugo Alejandro Cosumeñan. I student season and Germany. I am 19 years old. I have one brother and two sisters. I like my mother, two sisters. I might like and the music. My like the music rap. Next, present the 6 sentences. The United States is richer than Germany. Carlos is thinner than Luis. Rock is noisier than pop. Asia is the biggest continent. Lorena Ortega in the beds is golf player. In the Burj Dubai is the tower and the tallest tower in the world. Thank you for attention. My name is Diego Alejandro Riascos Estupiñán. Thank you.